day 2 here at the track, and as you can see by my voice, what does my voice have to do with it? But it's raining. My voice, I don't know, like, it's just that time of year too where my allergies are kicking off with all the wind yesterday too and the dust. But not drinking, not hungover or anything. I actually haven't drinking. I guess it's around the beginning of the year. Took a little break, and then I don't know, man. I'll just keep it going. Feel kind of good not drinking. The guys did get me last night. Me and Dewy's been doing it with me here. I was sober, and they got us the natural light, the NA, you know, no alcohol. It's not bad. It's just like beer. It's kind of fun. But when you're chilling with everybody and they're drinking beers, you go, okay, I can have a fake beer. But I'm also just fine drinking some Arizona tea, which Badfish has been really cool. Always bringing me. He always brings me these Arizona teas. I think he knows that I'm trying not to have the beer, and that's something nice to have. Anyways, my friends are nice. Like, nobody had a hard crash yesterday, but we got rid of this. Somebody will today. Low side is inevitable.
Okay, I go right now. Definitely gonna be a little slicker out here right now. I just skip the rest of it and just do that. Yeah.
Side is inevitable.
Did it just break like the all thread? How do you feel, by the way? You seem fine. That's why I didn't ask right away. We're trying to get his to look more like this. Ready to go? Yeah, I'm gonna lower the pressure. It's got like a mid-20s. It should be good. Yeah, I think if you look at like hot pressure, like they'll say higher, but they're not thinking it's going on a motard. I think it just, we don't have the weight to deflect the wheel as much as they do. Hey, sunlight.
Well, it falls neutral. Take my glory.
Man, good to see the boys out there. Trenton's, you know, he crashed. He's good. He's not like, oh no, scared now. He's doing good, man. A whole gear lower than I should be right now, but I'm winning the f out of this race, so I'm not too worried. What, you gonna knee off with your sweats on? What are you trying to do right now?
You want to do one whole lap and see if we can win in a sprint? Street.
All right, no dirt. No dirt, just street.
God, man. That's fun.
We're gonna do a sprint again, one lap. Try to get that outside pass on him. We're gonna do a little bike swap here, me and Trenton. He's gonna take out the Sherco Dirk. I'm gonna take out the DRZ that should have been with a leaky fork down there and a rim that I built. Stock suspension, CT2 Pilot Powers. Good tire, but not near as good as that one, but it should be fun. Oh yeah, that's soft.
Yeah.
Let's actually use some of that long, untainted suspension. Yeah! Does it that a little nicer than mine. Mine's a little firm when you do that. Come on, let's go, let's go. Cool. He's never done a Supermoto track day. I should point that out. He's done a Ride Smart like big track day. I felt instantly comfortable on it. This is an instantly comfortable bike. That one took me a minute the first few times I rode it. This is like that, like I just get it. All right, well I think this is the final session. People are packing up. I got one more in me. It's good, I feel whooped. I feel beat. Here I am, 40 years old, and I'm cooler than most 40-year-olds I know. That guy's older than me and he's cool as fuck too. Sitting around watching the sports balls. That. I think Trent's trying to figure out if he likes knee out or foot out. You know, he did that ride somewhere class. They brainwashed him. Everything has to be knee out, knee out. But I'm telling you, man, I think their foot out can be good. There goes Jacob. Jacob's like, I'm doing a hot lap right now. I don't feel like waiting. Get it, Jacob. He's a former world champ out here, if you remember. Local world champ. The outside pass is mean. It's mean, but it had to be done. No way off the track, you know that, right? Nope, that's we're not allowed over there. There's landmines.
Happy birthday to me. I feel like I've gotten the beat out of me. I'm so tired and wore out. And that means that was cool. You've done a lot of cool things. He needs recognition sometimes. You've done many cool things and we're all impressed by you.
I love you, Dad.
Everyone's done cool.
Nobody got hurt. We all had fun and nobody got hurt.
Wait till we get up tomorrow. I'm tired. What am I supposed to do? I gotta promote the Patreon. There's a Patreon version of this video.
Join the Patreon.
Yeah, you can talk to us in Discord and have fun, and then you get invited to shit like this.
The Patreon's pretty cool, you guys.
Show the penis.
There's a penis on there. For this. Okay.
I don't think you can put that on YouTube.
Yeah, the Patreon cut can have that. All right.